Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am here at Dollar General and I have an all digital haul for you. It is Sunday. We got some new digital coupons. So I am going to go ahead and put a deal together for you guys, and hopefully you guys are able to do the deals that I'm going to do and your store has the products in stock. But before we get started and get into the deals, if you guys could do me a favor and hit that subscription button, hit the bell right next to it. If you're watching me on YouTube, if you're watching me on Facebook, hit the follow button. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video and you won't miss out on any deals. But I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get started right away here. So the first deal we're going to do is going to be on these Tresemme hair masks, and you can get either the Tresemme Keratin Repair or the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. Now those are $2, and we're going to grab 2 of them. And the reason we're going to grab 2 of them is because right now Dollar General is having a deal. It's instant savings. Save $2 when you buy 2 select Dove, Tresemme, Yes Honey, or Axe products. And these do qualify. As you can see, I scanned it and it popped up. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. I'm actually going to get one of the Keratin Repair and one of the Keratin Smooth. So that's going to be a total of $4, but with our instant savings, it's going to come down to $2. I think this is a great deal. It's like buy one, get one free. Yep, guys, you guessed it. The Febreze deal is back. So you want to grab one of these Febreze fabric sprays. It doesn't matter which ones you get. But you want to make sure that you get the $4 one. And the reason why I'm emphasizing that is because look at that. They have the 27 ounce in the spot for the $4 one, but those are $5.50. You want to grab the ones that are 16.9 fluid ounces. They're $4. And let me show you the digital coupon that attaches. We have this $2.30 coupon that does attach. So that means we're going to pay $1.70 for the fabric spray. Here's another deal that comes around all the time, but every time it comes around, we're going to take advantage of it. It is the Febreze plug, and this one is with the low light indicator. So that is a good one to have, and it is $3.25. But look, we have the $2.30 digital coupon. So that means that we are only going to pay 95 cents for this plug. So we're going to throw that into the cart and move on to our next deal. Okay guys, so our next item is going to be on this Wick plug-in, and this is actually going to be a freebie for us, and I'm going to tell you how. So this is $2.25, but then we have this $2.20 digital coupon. Well, it's not a freebie, but it's actually 5 cents. I'll take that, and paying 5 cents for this is like free to me. Alrighty guys, so our next deal is going to be on this Resolve Urine Destroyer. I don't know, you could probably get the Pet Expert too. Let me make sure that this attaches. 1 second. Okay, so yes, the Pet Expert works also. So these are actually $5.50. The shelf isn't right, so they're $5.50, but there is a $1 digital coupon. Now, let's talk about Ibotta. I don't know if it's going to work. Ibotta has not been giving me my rebates back, even though the rebates say that you can C-A-N, use a coupon. It does not say that you can't combine a coupon with this. So I don't know if I'm going to get the rebate back or not. If I don't, then I will return this Resolve. But the only reason I'm buying it is because there is an Ibotta rebate. But the Ibotta rebate is for $1.50. So between the Ibotta rebate for $1.50 and the $1 coupon, that comes to $2.50. So basically we'll be paying $3 for this Resolve. So I'm gonna get it. Wish me luck, and let's see what happens. Next, guys, I'm gonna grab 2 of these fruit roll-ups. These can be found in your food section or dollar section, but I'm going to get this is the only flavor that I see. So they're $1 a piece. I'm gonna grab 2 of them, And you have this digital coupon for 50 cents off when you buy two. So that means we're going to get two for $1.50. Great snack for the kids. Okay guys, I'm going to grab this DG Health Triple Antibiotic Cream, and this is $2.85. It's the 1 ounce, and look, we have this dollar digital coupon, so this will only be $1.85. This is great to have around the house, especially with the kids getting out of school, and we all know how, you know, the cuts and bruises and all of that come about, so get this at a great price. Okay guys, so this is everything that we're going to get today. The Resolve, and we're going to see if Ibotta gives me my money back. The Febreze fabric spray, the Febreze plug, the Airwick plug, the Dollar General triple antibiotic cream, the 2 things of fruit roll-ups, and the 2 Tresemme hair masks. Let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay guys, so I am back at home. Let's go over our receipt. Everything worked out great. So there is the Febreze fabric spray for $4. The $2.30 digital came off. There's the Resolve for $5.50. The $1 digital came off of that. There's the fruit roll-ups, 2 at $1. And there's the 50-cent digital off of that. The Airwick warmer was $2.25. The $2.20 digital came off. The triple antibiotic ointment was $2.85. The dollar digital came off of that. Well, the dollar store coupon. There's the Tresemme mask. I got 2 of them for $1 each. I mean, for $2 each. And the store discount came off. You see, it's a store discount of $1 under each one because the store discount was $2. The Febreze plug warmer was $3.25, and you see I got the $2.30 digital off of that. So my total out of pocket was $12.55. But guess what, guys? Ibotta likes me again. We're still not friends. I don't care until they give me my $12. I'm going to still be mad at them. But I didn't have an issue. Looky. I got my $1.50 back for the Resolve. So that means the Resolve was $5.50. We used the $1 digital coupon and then the $1.50 from Ibotta. So we paid $3 for the Resolve. So guys, that is my haul. Everything worked out fine. I hope everything works out fine for you guys. When you take the $1.50 from the $12.55, then that means I paid $11.05 for everything on this receipt. I think that's a pretty good haul, and I hope you guys think so too. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite deal, what deal you plan on going to do, or what deals you've already done. But until the next time, keep on saving.